Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and happy Janmashtami to all of you. So today we are going to solve day 26 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 590, N-ary Tree Postorder Traversal. Okay, so in this problem we have given the root of an N-ary tree. Okay, so N-ary tree simply means that for a particular parent we can have more than two children. Okay, we have to return the post order traversal. So post order traversal simply means first we visit the left child, then after that we visit the right child, and then after that we visit the root, okay, or mid. Okay, so an array tree input serialization is represented in their level order traversal. Each group of children is separated by the null values. Okay, so see this example number 1. Okay, so this is parent. Okay, and for this parent you can see total 3 children are there, right? 3, 2, 4. Okay, then this is the one parent, and for this parent there are total 2 children. Okay, so how we are returning the output? Okay, so let's see that. So I am going to solve this problem using two approaches. One is a recursive approach and one is iterative approach. Okay, so first let's solve this problem using a recursive approach. So in a recursive approach, what I am going to do here, if root is null, then I am simply going to return the empty array list. Okay, and if it is not the case, then I am just going to call one method helper. Okay, and inside this what I am going to do, so first I am going to pass this node. Okay, and then for this node I am going to visit all the childrens, okay, for this particular node. So first I go to this child, okay, this child, then as soon as I reach to this child, okay, now this is going to become my parent, and for this parent I am going to see all the children. Okay, so now first I go to this site. Okay, so here when I reach, so I see that for this parent there is no child. Okay, there is no child, so I am going to add 5 in my result list. Okay, this is done. Then after that I am going to visit to the next children. Okay, so I reach here. For this now this will become my parent, and for this parent there are no children, so I am just going to add this in my list. Okay, this is done. Okay, now after that I go to this, okay, to 3. Okay, and for this 3 I have already got the values. Okay, so now I'm just going to simply add this 3. Okay, then after that I'm going to visit the next child of 1. Okay, so I visit here. For this there is no children. Okay, so I'm going to simply add it in my list. Then after that I visit this. So now for this there is no children, so I'm going to simply add it. Okay, and then in the end I'm just going to simply add 1. Okay, so this is going to be my output. See, 5 6 3 2 4 1. Okay, simple recursive approach. Now I'm going to write the code. Okay, first let's create one list of integers, okay, in which I'm going to store my final result. Okay, so let's name it as result new array list, and then here just check if my root is equal to null. Then we have to simply return an empty array list, right? So here I'm just going to return result. Okay, and then after that I'm just going to call one helper method. In this helper method I'm just going to pass my root, and I'm going to pass my result because I have to update it, and then from here I'm just going to simply return the result. Okay, whatever the result that I have. Okay, now let's define this helper method. So just give the return type as void, and here write helper, and in this helper just pass my node, okay, current node where I am, and after that just pass the result array list. Okay, so which is nothing but list of integer and name is result. Okay, that's done. Now inside this we have to visit all the children one by one. Okay, so for that I'm just going to write for node child. Okay, just see, this is simple for each loop. Okay, for this particular node just visit the children one by one, and then for each child I am just again going to call this helper method, and in the helper method now this time is in place of node I am passing the child. Okay, so this child is nothing but my new node. Okay, and now after that here I'm just going to pass a result. Okay, so this is what I need to do, right? And once, okay, there is one base condition here. If my if any particular node is equal to null, okay, then in that case I'm simply returning, right, simply return from here. and once we return from here, okay, like in this case now for 5 there is no children, so null, so we are returning. And once we return to this 5 back, so I have to just add that in my result. Okay, result dot add, and here just add node.var. That's it. This is easy, right? Recursive approach, and the time complexity for this is going to be O of n. Okay, so now let's run it. All the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So here we are visiting over all the nodes only one time, right? So here from here you can see the time complexity. So time complexity is nothing but O of n. Okay, so now this is done. So now let's move to the our iterative approach. Okay, so let me just reset my code. Okay, and now we are going to understand how we are going to solve this problem using iterative approach. Okay, so let's pick the same example. Okay, so here just create one linked list, and okay, in this we are just storing the integers. Okay, and result new linked list. Okay, this is done. Now after that, here just check if my root is equal to null, then in that case simply return result. Okay, then we have to use stack. Okay, and in stack I'm passing the nodes. Okay, so let's name my stack as stack. Okay, so here just write new stack. Okay, this is done. Then after that, in the stack just push the root, stack dot push root. Okay, and now after that just run one while loop, and in this while loop just check if my stack is not empty. Okay, inside this what I need to do, inside this just pop the node. Okay, so stack dot pop. Okay, then for this particular after popping this I'm just going to add this in my result linked list, right? Result dot add, and here I have to use add first. Okay, every time I'm going to add the values in the first place. Okay, first I'm adding 1, then after that I'm moving 4 in the first place. This will automatically shift. Okay, I'm adding 2 and all this will automatically shift. So result dot add first. In this I'm just going to pass node dot val. Okay, so here we are adding to the front of the list, and then after that for each node, okay, I have to visit the children one by one. So for node child, and here just write node dot children. Okay, and inside this just do stack dot push, and here just pass the child. That's it, and in the end just return the result. Okay, so here also my time complexity is going to be of n, right? So now let's run the code. So the test case has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. So we have solved this problem using both recursive and iterative approach. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.